Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I'll show you how you can copy your library file and paste it anywhere in any project file, or send it to a friend to use it, or do anything that you want with it. So let's go first to the projects. Now right click on the schematic file, then explore. As you can see here we have a lot of files, but the one that we want and the most important item here is the file, or this file. It's called int library or integrated library. It has the schematic and the footprint compiled together, so you can simply copy it and paste it anywhere that you want. Now let's copy it and go back. Let's paste it here in the project file. As you can see here we have the main integrated library that we just created. Now we can go to our design, go to libraries, and libraries from here, and let's delete all of the installed libraries, and here we can remove all of these libraries, but this is the library that we just created, so we can remove it. We can add the file that we just created here, or just pasted here, the project file. As you can see, this is it. Now once we add this file, as you can see, our library of component in the Altium project that we are creating will have the schematic and the footprint for our file. So that's it. Now in our schematic we can place the item that we want, we can place the schematic library, and as you can see here we have @mega, and we can go to the libraries menu to see what we have, and simply now let me install the library. This is it, installed in the library item. Now we can drag this and drop it here. We can use it, we can connect item to it, and we can do anything that we want. As I mentioned earlier, this is the library that we just created. This is our item, and you can simply use it in your design and edit it to fit your needs. Thanks for watching this lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team. Happy learning.